Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm out in front with a freshly delivered 2025 Mastercraft X24. This is a beautiful boat. It is in navy blue with the gold satin accents. Got the accents up there on the Z8 tower as well as the windshield. As with all of our Mastercrafts, we've got it paired with a custom trailer. This boat's got docking lights. We've got the black rub rail with stainless insert. Let's walk around to the back of the boat and take a look at some more. Hey guys, standing back behind this 2025 Mastercraft X24, we've got this fiberglass swim platform with swim step. Makes it super easy to get in and out of the boat. As with all the 2025 models, we're going to have the underwater exhaust, and this boat actually has the underwater RGB lighting. Let's hop aboard and take a look at the inside of the boat. Guys, here at the transom of the boat, we've got this great convertible seating with these flip-out leg rests and pop-up backrests here. Makes it super comfortable whenever you're watching your friends surf behind the back of the boat. We've also got this great little life jacket heater here. And this boat is powered by the 6.2 liter GDI ILMOR. We can hop inside and take a look at the interior. Guys, standing inside of the 2025 X24, we've got this great seating area up front, plenty of space, wraparound seating. We've got the bow filler cushion. This is in, I believe, sandstone with the beach tan accent. It's all the cool feel interior. We've got this brand new captain's chair for 2025. It's got the flip up bolster. Got a nice vent for your back to keep you cool throughout the day. Super, super comfortable. We have the new dash. It's got the dual displays with the rotary dial here to control all of your surf settings and the boat features. Also got a wireless phone charger. This does have the premium audio package, so we've got the 2 subwoofers, Klipsch audio. We've also got your observer screen there for your audio, as well as heated seats for your captain chair and your observer chair. We've got Klipsch audio on the tower. Got this rear-facing seat as well as these flip-up backrests on both sides of the boat. We've got heaters there in case you get a little cold. We've got some phone storage as well as some great, Klipsch audio speakers here. Guys, this is a beautiful boat, great color combination, super fun for you and all your friends. If you have any questions about it, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.